Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2019 Jeep Compass Limited, stock reference number 5361. The shape runs from the 10th month 2017 through to the 3rd month 2021. It has a 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-drive transmission. 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, right-hand daytime running light, left-hand fog light, left power door mirror, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a flat tyre, left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right-hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory sat nav, head unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.